Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide is it worth it or not for you. Today is not a subscription box, it's an Ipsy box, which you probably know by the title considering I label all of my things normally, and it's not a regular Ipsy box. It's actually didn't come even in Ipsy packaging. It came in this brown box here, but it is their Endless Summer set that they had very recently, which was $60, so I was a little bit nervous to spend that much, but it had a couple products that I really wanted, so I'm really excited to test it. Okay, let's see what's in here. So I actually already went through this and looked at it because I was debating if I was going to film this box or not because I kind of bought it for my own self, but I figured I'd film it, let you guys see what's in it, because boy is there a lot. So this box actually came with a bunch of like little crepe paper in here, as well as some extra packaging that I've already thrown away because like I said, I went through it already. And the crepe paper got everywhere. It was all over my floor. It was great. So let's dig into the box. So on top is actually one of the main reasons why I got this, which is an O for a highlighter. And not just any highlighter. Pull it out of package. So this is the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive, one of everyone's favorite highlighters. I got some Ofra like highlighters of the Madison Miller collection. But look at that. Look how beautiful and shiny that is. Just a like super flattering, good highlight color for everyone. I'm a big fan of this and I'm really excited to have this now. Okay, what else is in here? Let's look at the really expensive product that's in here. This is from 111 Skin. I don't know how to actually pronounce their name. It is a Rose Gold Radiance Booster Serum. And this is worth like $100+ in this like beautiful rose gold chromey packaging. Let me test it. So you can see it's also like creamy in here. Put it on the back of my hand. Just a drop of it. It doesn't smell like anything. My hand smells like my makeup wipe and just kind of blends in because it is a serum. But this is like really expensive and I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to actually use it because I have other serums, but it's kind of nice to have it. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, up next in here is something from Pixi. It is a Rose Gold Mist. Rose Glow Mist. Sorry. Boy, I can actually read. Let's see. Let me pull it out. I think it's like a facial mist in here. So it's got that Pixi packaging, that like mint green at the top there. Yeah, it's like a skin mist. Some rehydrating and things like that. Definitely want to shake it because it looks like it's separated a little bit. But yeah, it's nice and pink in there. Up next is something from Perlice, which is a brand that I really like. This is something I don't have yet, which is the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. So it's a priming moisturizer. That's fun. So here it is out of the bottle here. Green tea is great. It's full of antioxidants in general. So yeah, it's just a lightweight, oil-free water cream, primes skin for makeup. So it's just a highly moisturizing primer, which is pretty exciting. Like I said, I love Perlice, so happy with that. Benefit Bad Gal Bang, their mascara that they hyped real hard. And from what I understand, people do like it. It just, look at that. It's such a strange package for it. But there it is, a very, very spiky mascara wand. I don't know if I'll actually use this because I already have mascara that I like and I just got a new Lash Princess from Essence, which is a $4-5 mascara. So like, I don't know. I don't need the expensive mascara. Someone else can have it. Up next is something from Feel Bright. It is a squalane facial oil. A little tiny thing of facial oil here. Yeah, that's it. Just put it on dry skin. Kind of just an oil. Oh, I've got a chapstick in here from Glow for a Cause. It says Lip Love Flirt. It doesn't smell like anything, actually. Surprising. It smells like chapstick. I haven't had an unscented chapstick in a while. I've been using a citrusy one, so kind of interesting. I don't know anything about this brand, just it's from Denver. It's got lots of oils in it, coconut oil being its main one. So, interesting. Oh, I have a tiny little thing here. Oh, this is from I Do Care. I know that from the cute little face on it. So it is I Do Care Starlight Radiant. It is a Radiance Moisturizing Gold Gel Cream. Interesting. I mostly just use I Do Care's masks. They have really excellent and fun peel-off masks. But here is what it is. It is a gold moisturizer. Interesting. Oh, it's got the little plastic on here. Help you save it. So that's the color on the back of it. Yeah, it is gold. Let me get just a little bit and put it on the back of my hand. It does blend in. That's good. I mean, I hope so. I don't really want to turn my like face gold, but interesting. It doesn't really have a smell. It's got the little, it's shiny, so it's got kind of an oil slicky looking thing inside, but it's kind of fun. Let me get this. So yeah, little thing from I Do Care that I've never tried before. So that's pretty exciting. Okay, oh, we got something in here from The Balm, which I love. So this is the Balm Jour, which it is a creamy lip stain. This is in the color Konnichiwa. Also, it's got a www.ipsy.com/shop sticker on it, which is kind of funny. Let's get a nice... You know, I'm going to start swatching things on my other hand because I think I've put so much stuff on the back of this hand already. Okay, cool. So yeah, it's a stain. It's got some color there, but not like a lot of color, which is really good. Now I actually have matching swatches on the backs of my hand, but let's get that off. Stains tend to be long wearing, and if I dry it down, I might not be able to get it off the back of my hand. Oh, I got some nail polish in here from Pretty Woman. Let's see. Ah, that's a bright color. It is a like purpley red magenta. That's the color, I think. It's very nice. I like nail polish. You can tell my nails are currently blue and sparkly right now. Which kind of matches my shirt. I have a R2-D2 shirt on. It says beep boop. I love this shirt. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Oh, it's called Berry Wild. It is surprisingly a berry color. Weird how that works. Okay, what else? I've got 4 more things in here. Next up is something from Playa. It is the Endless Summer Spray. Create soft and tousled texture. Southern California sea salt beta carotene. Okay, so it is a hairspray. It smells kind of coconutty. That's kind of fun. Oh, it's made from sea salt that was actually harvested in SoCal too. That's fun. Okay, okay. I'll try that. I've heard of Playa before. I don't do a lot with my hair generally because it is incredibly straight. So maybe I can get some texture out of it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, up next is something else that's in bubble wrap. This is actually something I have already, so someone else will get this. It is the teeny tiny Orza Beauty palette. Oh, I don't have it right next to me. So essentially what it is, it's a quad with these like pretty copper colors, and look how tiny this is. Like, this is tiny. It is a teeny tiny little palette here, but it's got some great like brown neutral shades. Like, that's pretty awesome. Let me go and find my actual one. I'll be right back. So here is what the actual palette looks like. It is this like, yeah, look at these. There's like a kind of a, it's a pink and not really pink, but yeah, it's all these like 3 shimmers and the 1 matte. It's really pretty. You can see where I've swatched it, which is what's hitting the light right there. But it's a very nice, teeny tiny little palette, perfect for travel, good colors. But someone else is going to get it because I already have one. I really don't need another one. So I'm going to put that back in the bubble wrap and pass that on to someone else. I'm going to try and put it back in the bubble wrap and see how well that works. Okay. 2 things left. One is from Siate, London. It is translucent powder. Oh, excellent. Some translucent setting powder. Oh, I just ruined that box there. It's too bad, because I had the bow on it, the Ciate London's branding is known for. This is Lightweight Focus Finish. Okay, here we are. Oh, it's got the bow on the front there too. Pull this off. I'm going to leave actually the sticker on there for now because I'm already using it. This looks like a white powder though. Like some of the ones I've been using have kind of a tint to them, but this one is like a true white translucent powder. So that's good to know. Not that that'll be an issue for me. I'm very pale, but for someone who has a darker skin tone than me, that's probably going to get you a white cast there. But yeah, real pretty. I'll test that out later and see how I like it. I like Ciate London stuff, like aesthetically. But then I also have that dewy stick of theirs, which I think is a pointless product, but you know, whatever. It's fun. Okay, the last item in here is the other item I was really excited about, which is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. Let's pull that up. So I actually had to refilm this section, so I've actually swatched all of these already on the inside of my arm, but look how beautiful they are. Here are the swatches for them, for as much as you can see, because again, they're highlighters, so they disappear. So there are 3 powders here, but then this is actually a cream, which I didn't realize, which is why you can see there's like a giant thing in there from my finger, but they're very pretty. Like, oh, it's gone. There, you can see some of it. Sorry, the back of my hands are kind of a nightmare right now because of all the hand washing and the weather, and so my skin is just an absolute nightmare, and so putting makeup on the back of it's not the best idea, but there you can kind of see that. Look how pretty that is. But yeah, this is the other big reason for like getting this, plus some of the other things in here. So that is everything that was in my box. I was really excited. I thought it was weird that it came packaged already so differently, but like it's got everything. You got nails, we got some moisturizer, got some hairspray, some primer, powder, facial mist, lip stain and chapstick, facial oil, a serum, a mascara, a highlighter, and that tiny eyeshadow palette, plus the 3D highlighter palette as well from Huda. So like overall for $60, this is a lot of stuff. Like look at all that's in here. That's a lot of stuff, and a lot of stuff that I like really am excited about and I'm really happy to try. So I am definitely going to try this, and then I will let you all know what I think. That is it for me here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here, if you could leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and turn on post notifications so you always know when I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!